Welcome to Rwanda, a hidden gem where nature and progress coexist in perfect harmony. Journey through lush landscapes and vibrant ecosystems, home to majestic mountain gorillas and diverse wildlife. Rwanda's commitment to conservation shines in every corner, offering unforgettable experiences for nature enthusiasts. Discover the beauty of Akagera National Park, where savannas teem with life. Explore Nyungwe Forest, a haven for primates and exotic birds. Rwanda's rapidly developing tourism sector ensures world-class accommodations and services, enhancing your adventure. Join us at Journeyman Discovery, where every journey is an extraordinary tale. Rwanda awaits.